The world was shocked 2 days ago when the same Afande Muchivi had battered our comrade Oyerot Daniel, also known as Dan Magic, causing him severe harm. As we speak right now, Dan Magic is admitted, but we hope he's going to be fine. He was fine for the first whole day, but maybe his problem, the harm caused by the headbutt, was aggravated by the tear gas last night. So by morning, he was feeling terrible, a severe headache, and Dan Magic is in hospital. But we trust that he will pull through and join us again on the campaign trail. And then yesterday, as we headed back, one of the cars of our comrades, led by a one Mulugwala wa Bobi, was surrounded by the police and military, and they were removed from their car. They were loaded onto a JFang, and their car was towed to CPS Lira. As of now, 7 of them have been released, but 10 of them remain incarcerated. I have spoken to Commissioner of Police, Afande Nkore, who is the head of Lango and Teso, and I've expressed our concern to them. And I've also questioned why the police in Lira refused to record a statement. They refused to receive a claim. Dan Magic went to complain to police in Lira, and they refused to record his case after he was headbutted. So I raised that, but I also mentioned that, like we are law-abiding citizens, and we want to be left to enjoy our constitutional rights. He also told me that they raided us last night because they were looking for their gadgets. As you saw in a video, when one police officer was questioned what he wants, they said they are looking for tower. Now, Afande Nkore, the head of police in Lango and Teso, has told me that they are looking for tower because they allege that he stole a laptop from them, and he also stole a jammer from them, a sensor, and a bag. So that and more we are yet to